crooked.
Like, in what way?
I don't know.
Well, if it's crooked, you get a nice, like...
Well, I gotta intro us.
Okay. Hey guys.
What's up, guys? This is Hunter. You've never officially been introduced in one of my videos.
But yes, I have.
In the video with Coleman, but it wasn't just me.
I've been in other videos.
Well, this is Hunter, my fiance, if you don't know him. It's a little greasy, yeah. So he's gonna attempt to do some like Halloween makeup on me.
Is that grease paint?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some like special effects makeup. I don't know if you saw pictures on my Instagram, but I tried to do something on him. And I've never done it before. It turned out okay, but he's gonna, I don't know what he's doing. It's a complete surprise. So, you can't tell me yet. Oh yeah, I gotta use this.
I'm not telling you.
Lilo keeps walking around, our dog, so. You gotta do a tutorial too, tell people what you're doing.
I don't know.
Ooh, I'm not gonna look, you show the picture of what. Okay.
Okay. This is the goal. So,
Do I look like?
no. So, we'll see.
We'll see if it looks up. Again, I have no idea. I have some guesses.
Okay, guys. This is the Superstar Liquid Eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris.
Okay, wait, let me readjust. Oh god.
What did you get?
You need a different eyeliner, and that's fine. But you can also use the black paint and like a small brush.
No, I need a pencil white look.
Well, this is look.
No, I got it. I'm gonna go get it.
Ow! I'll keep them entertained while you're gone. So, also today we went to a farm, or like a pumpkin patch. There goes Lilo. And I did a vlog, so that'll be up too. I don't know which one's gonna be up first. But yeah, so that's fun. We had a good time.
Now this next one is Starlux Pro Luxe Pen.
Alright.
Oh yeah. A lot better.
What if yours looks better than mine on yours?
Well, that says something good. I can start a channel. My channel will say, hey, be called Hey Guys.
Hunter makes fun of beauty YouTubers.
Ridiculous.
That's me.
Well, you don't say hey guys every...
No, I say, what's up, guys? Actually, I don't know what I say.
What do you think it's gonna be?
Well, I can see that you're doing half of my face one thing.
Okay.
I don't know what the thing is. Is it a skull?
No.
You're a very artistic person, so I mean, I feel like you're gonna do a good job.
We'll see.
You used to draw a lot.
I didn't know it was grease makeup.
I mean, it's gonna perform the same way. What's the difference? I mean,
Huh?
why does it make a difference? Hello, Lilo.
Never answered
What?
the question.
What's the question?
What do you think it is?
I think it's gonna be like a, I don't know.
She's also wearing long johns.
Christmas long johns.
Okay, don't stop.
I can never do that when I'm with you.
Oh, yeah. I think this would be the part where if we went live, we would be like, so guys, what's going on in your life? And just wait for the comments.
Would you rather go on live?
No. That means people will talk to us.
I like people talking to me. Oh, it's Harley Quinn. Isn't it?
Hmm?
Is it Harley Quinn?
Or not.
Yeah, it is. I think if you use the black paint to like help, that it would be better. This isn't my tutorial, so. Are you gonna tell the people how to achieve this look?
Starlooks Pro.
You already told them what it was. You didn't tell them what you were doing though.
I showed them what I was doing.
Well, I guess you're right. I think it's dry enough.
Okay, which one do you? Is this the white one that you used? Oh,
No, I used that for the liquid latex, which is why it's gross. This is the one I used for the white. These are just some brushes that came with this makeup palette that I got off Amazon. It works really well. I used it for your makeup and I liked it a lot. Are you okay with messing up that towel? I guess we can just wash it in the wash out.
Yeah, we're out of paper towels.
Oh, that's right. So he's going in with the white shade from the CCBE paint palette. It's working. It gets better. You have to layer it a little bit. You can also use, I put a sponge in there for you. And you can dip the sponge in the actual shade.
Yes.
Yeah. He's using just like a piece of like craft foam. Let me zoom in a little bit. You can't, just kidding. I look ridiculous.
Oh, I do.
Mustache. It's easier on me because I don't have a beard. You had a beard I had to work with.
Well, I'm not shaving it, so. I like to start in like areas. Don't follow anything. Just go wherever.
Okay. They're like Bob Ross on my face.
Happy little trees. Just get a little dab right there.
Ow!
You got yourself a little bush. An albino bush.
Look at that.
Use a smaller
Brush for the edges.
brush for the
Look at you.
edge. Well, for the black part.
Talk to them.
You guys seen Arrow yet? You should. It's amazing.
You haven't even seen the new episode yet.
No, I haven't.
Dang
But
it, the gum's in my car. Never mind.
I knew it was in the car. Used to work with a guy named Mikey Guanipa.
I doubt he's watching this.
He, we'll send it to him. He is, next to me, the biggest Arrow fan I've ever met. He also dislikes the MCU.
You don't dislike them.
No, I said Mikey,
Oh.
not me.
Making faces at me. It's making me laugh.
Don't do that. Visco girls suck.
Hydro Flask.
Hydro Flask,
Save the turtles.
Save the Turtles, Metal Straws, Scrunchies.
Dad, if you're watching this.
I'm texting her dad right now, so
Are you?
I am.
About what?
Don't worry about it. She does makeup. She stays pretty. I focus on the body.
Okay.
I work out.
Yeah, Hunter, tell them what you like to do.
Work out.
That's not what you like to do.
Read comics.
Watch.
Cosplay.
Yeah.
Talk to my brother. I don't watch anime.
Hunter, what's your favorite?
Anime kind of sucks, so
sucks.
don't at me. But
Don't at me. What's your favorite TV shows? Like multiple.
again, don't at me. But The Big Bang Theory was good.
Yeah, he was really sad. Oh, and you like The Office a lot, right?
Yeah, The Office is great.
And all the superhero CW shows. He likes Arrow, Flash.
If you guys haven't seen, it's called...
Oh, Frontier.
Thanks. It's called Frontier.
His main crush is in it.
Jason Momoa is a man's man.
If you're watching, I'm just kidding. He's not watching this. You used to like to draw a lot.
Yeah.
But you don't anymore.
It's frustrating.
If you didn't know this, which you'll probably see from this video, Hunter is very much a perfectionist. Yes, you are.
It's just, if it's not in the line, then...
If it's not perfect, then it's not worth it.
Well.
One day I'm gonna get him to get on here. I had to force him to do this. Not really. He wanted to do my makeup, but I was like, let me film it, please. But I want him to do like try to do like real makeup, not like my everyday makeup. One time I did his makeup, it was great. Hopefully he'll let me film it one day.
You took pictures, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. If I can find him, I'll put him on here. When I did his makeup. But it looks weird when my lips aren't painted yet. This looks good so far, babe.
Yeah.
I still don't really know what you're doing.
Exactly. They do.
They do. You're not gonna do my lips?
Hmm?
You gonna do my lips? You can go back over it with lipstick if we need to. It's funny though because he has learned a lot about makeup since we've been together. We've been together, what, almost 4 years?
3 years.
Almost 4. Our first date was in November of 2016. I think.
Yeah.
No, November of 2015.
Nope.
It was 2015.
Nope.
Yes, it was.
Nope.
Because I started at Best Buy in July of 2015.
It was 2016.
It was 2015. Are you filling it in?
The black part.
Oh, okay.
Why?
So I was trying to be still because I thought you were doing the outline. Oh god, that looks scary. We both love Disney World, if you didn't know from our other videos. Well, yeah, I know you've been in videos, but you haven't been in like a sit down, like talk video, besides the one with Coleman where you didn't talk a whole lot. I still am not really sure. Is it Harley Quinn? Mm-hmm. It is?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. What is it?
Mm-hmm.
Another fun fact. Hunter's the best liar there ever was. Like, ever. One time he surprised me when we went to Disney World for the first time. Mm-hmm. And he straight up lied and said, no, we're not going to Disney World. Guess where we went? Disney World. It was a good surprise, though. I guess I'm glad he lied.
She lost her passport.
Yeah, I did. Because you told me to bring it because you wouldn't tell me where we were going. He is the master of surprises, though, because he's so good at lying. There's a smaller brush if you need to make more precise. So you're doing red on the other side?
Nope.
I thought you said it was Harley Quinn.
I did.
But wasn't it red and black? Are you doing like half normal and then half Harley Quinn? Because if so, you could put foundation on the other half. It's your tutorial, I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, because they do this.
Yeah, you gotta do that. It's still not focusing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, give up.
It's a ray glop. Gloop. Whatever. Gloop.
Looks like I have a red mustache.
Pressing on your what?
My head. You're like pressing down.
I have to.
Okay, do you want me to move closer?
No,
Is this better?
I still need something to do with this hand.
Okay.
have red lipstick.
Actually, I think I do. You want me to get it?
It'd be easier, but I have to clean it up then. Like I would have to clean up the bottom part. You look like a Kiss fan.
Oh, I do.
That could be your outtake or whatever. That's what she said.
Outtake.
Whatever the hell the intro is or whatever. The thumbnail.
You trying to make my face look like dirty? I already even picked out all the things for this look too. I helped a little bit. Yeah, it looks cool. It's like a cracked Harlequin mask. I'm assuming that's what. We added some highlights to the black and he's trying to set the rest of the face, but you can use a brush after too. I would avoid getting it in the lipstick. Use the brush to smooth it out, it'll probably help.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. How's it look?
Hang on.
You done? Mm-hmm. Ooh, good job, babe. You did a good job.
It would have helped if I had foundation.
It might have, the only reason I say that is because it would have had something to stick onto. But
No, like for this side of your face.
that's what I'm talking about.
No.
I think it looks so good. Can I see the picture now? Oh, that looks cool. That looks really cool, babe.
Okay.
Are you happy with it?
Yep. I got another one next.
All right, guys. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed Hunter's tutorial. Pokemon.
Okay.
I have an idea.
Outtake. Especially. Oh, never mind. Do I look like here? I don't even know where to look. Like right there. I know the lens is right there, but then I'm like, I'm not looking at myself. So I'm like,
Can you just do it? You are disgusting.
Taco Mama. Sponsored by Taco Mama.
It's not, unfortunately.
It is.